please remove all components from the box and locate the stroller frame. Lift up the fold lock release to unfold the stroller. Lift stroller handles up to unfold. Press the lockout bar down with your foot until the stroller is fully expanded and the frame locks into place. At the end of the tubes below the handlebars, align the rear wheels by lining up the hole in the frame with the spring tab on the wheel joint. Press the wheels on until you hear a click. On the base of the tubes below the end of the child's seat, align the front wheels by making sure the swivel lock button is aligned with the space it will fit into on the frame and then push onto the frame. Ensure the pins are fully engaged and the wheel is locked in position before use. With the canopy pocket closest to the stroller handles and the canopy going up and over the seat, slide the canopy onto the frame mounts on both sides. Snap the canopy buttons on both sides of the stroller. Attach hook and loop tab of the canopy to the back of the seat. With the canopy secured properly, you should now be able to fully extend the canopy over the stroller's seat. To attach the cup holder, slide the cup holder onto the upper knob on the outside of the stroller frame until it clicks in. Or slide the cup onto the lower knob for the baby to reach. Press the rear brake lever down to lock the brake. Press the front wheel lock up to keep them from swiveling side to side. Squeeze and pull the clamp on the back of the seat to lower the backrest. Squeeze the clamp and pull the D-ring to raise it.